I think one of the best things that we do at Kurt is our quality. The level of perfection that we demand of ourselves and of our team is something that's always been impressive and continues to be impressive within the culture of Kurt.
The people. We have a great group of people, and I'm actually amazed at the way it feels like family for such a large company.
The long-term friendships that you make at some of the different buildings, you can be away for a while, run into somebody, you know about them, you might have met their family, you might have done things outside of work with them.
I think Kurt is an extremely friendly company. I think that everybody is very open-minded and very down to earth.
I enjoy the people I work with. Been here for 37 years plus, and there's a lot of good people working here.
Oh, I enjoy working here for the people. It's like a big family. I love coming here.
Kurt kind of makes you feel like family.
My coworkers, it's a fun workplace, and I love the work, love being here.
I enjoy working at Kurt Manufacturing because of the positive work environment. I love my coworkers. I love getting to learn about machining, and it's a very interesting field to be a part of.
I get along with my coworkers, and I like the place.
Kurt is like a family. Like, everybody works together, and like when you have a problem, you just go talk with somebody, and they help you out.
I enjoy working at Kurt because of the people, the atmosphere. I think everyone here get along, from top management all the way down to the guys that works on the floor. Just a great place to work.
Oh, the people's the biggest part. I've met a lot of people over the 30-some years that I've worked for Kurt Manufacturing. You know, I've developed a lot of good friendship. So I think that's the ultimate reward for me, and that's why I've worked here for so long.
The reason why I enjoy working here is because it's friendly, everyone's kind to each other, we talk, interact with each other.
I enjoy the people I work with. It's always been a good company to work for.
I'd just like to say, if you ever get an opportunity to work for any of Kurt division, take the opportunity. Great place to work.